Welcome back at 6:16 this Monday morning. We're off to a quiet start for now, but this afternoon brings rounds of thunderstorms, some of which could be strong to severe. And this is something we're going to be dealing with for most of today. We are under a 13 weather impact alert all day long, even extending into this evening. That's for rain and storms in the forecast, so 13 weather ball blinking bright. We've got storms in sight. It's also green, no change foreseen to our temperatures as we climb into the mid to upper 80s once again this afternoon. This is sponsored by West Shore Home. Here's where our temperatures are headed. We'll continue to rise into the mid to upper 80s. It's going to feel hotter than that, though. It's already a very muggy, very humid start this morning, so it feels like temps are approaching the 90-degree mark a little bit later on. You'll notice the warmth, you'll notice the humidity, but that's going to be adding fuel to these thunderstorms that will also absolutely be noticeable throughout the rest of the day. This afternoon, this evening, we could see increasing chances for storms that are likely to be on the stronger side, at least at some points. Storm Prediction Center overnight upgraded us to a 3 out of 5 or rather enhanced risk all across West Michigan. Now, with that being said, main concern still looks to be damaging winds. We could get gusts that are up to 70 miles an hour, possibly even stronger than that. We're also still looking at very least, the potential for some pockets of larger hail. I would say that especially southwest Michigan could see that, and then also a non-zero tornado threat into this evening as we're seeing a little bit of spin in the atmosphere. Now, with that being said, main concern once again still does look to be wind. This morning, we've got a little bit of rain, really not even too many thunderstorms, just a little bit of thunderstorm activity that's popping up down really in Allegan County at this point. We will continue to see more rain still throughout this morning, some showers to start, but thunderstorms that will start to pick up a little bit later on, closer to lunchtime and continuing into the afternoon hours. This is when that line starts to move in, and as it does, it's going to be bringing us some pretty strong winds. I would say especially west of US 131 is where we're seeing the greatest concern for this afternoon. This will start to clear out. We have a little bit of dry time, but it doesn't look like we're done yet. More scattered thunderstorms that we could see into this evening. This is where all hazards could be in play, but the severity of these thunderstorms will depend on how much instability is left over after the afternoon storms already move out. We'll continue to track these chances for thunderstorms into this evening, some of which that, yes, could be severe. Once that clears out, though, we're drier overnight, looking at quieter conditions Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday with temperatures in the mid-80s. That's going to be accompanied by some more comfortable humidity. Dew points will drop after today, even after tomorrow morning. We do have a bit more humidity into next weekend, though, as we are tracking some additional rain chances. Here's what we've got for today. Out near Lakeshore, temperatures topping out in the mid-80s, seeing that chance for scattered thunderstorms, some of which that could be strong to severe. Northern zone will be topping out in the low to mid-80s, and our southern zone climbing into the mid to upper 80s this afternoon. Here's a check of your 13 on your side 7-day forecast. Main focus is on today. After this, Tuesday through Thursday is quiet before we turn our attention to additional rain and possibly thunder shower chances into the weekend.